Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing a review on this Puroma boom arm kit I bought off of Amazon. And this kit cost about $16, so I kind of feel like it's going to be pretty bad. So I'm going to pretty much unbox it and set it up with my mic and see how it works. So I guess let's just get right into it. Alright, let's open this thing. Okay, so the first thing we got, over there, pop filter. So, you over there. Yeah, this is one of those little mic cover things. There you go, this goes on top of the mic. Put you there. Got some cable ties and pretty much the directions. This is a shock mount, which is very, very small. I don't even know if this is going to work with my mic, so I guess we'll find out shortly. It looks like they gave some of that plumber's tape, like thread sealer. God. Here's the mount that hooks onto your desk, and you pretty much turn this. This is actually metal, so I'm actually surprised about that. I believe mine is ABS, so mine's a little lighter than this, so I don't know. I don't know if that's really going to make a difference at all. Alright, this is for I guess you would say a standard mic? I don't know what you call those ones. They just pretty much slide right into here. And pretty much the last thing is the actual boom arm. So, that on. And here it is. It feels very flimsy. So, it's going to be a weird setup. And I don't like these exposed springs. That's pretty much why I bought mine that had the eternal ones, so I wouldn't have to look at them. And all these bolts are pretty much exposed. I don't like that either, because if they become loose, they could just pretty much drop whatever's on the end. So I guess give me a couple minutes and I will set this up with my mic and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so as you can see, I pretty much got it all set up. It's kind of wonky, not to lie. I couldn't use the shock mount that it came with because it was actually too small for the Quadcast. The Quadcast is a thick boy, so I don't know, anything smaller than that may fit in here. I really can't give any recommendations because I really haven't had any other mics other than the Quadcast, so other than that, pop filter seems to work okay. This little hat thingy, it's pointless for my mic. Some of the only things I've noticed that are bad with it is when you actually move it, it makes a lot of springy noises. So let's see if we can get it. So yeah, you could actually tell how, like, I guess bad quality is compared to my other boom arm, because this thing is actually fairly light. And then actually I damaged it as well. I don't know if you can see that, just by having it in this little, well, into the mount. I had this screwed in and I just turned it and just scraped it. But compared to my other boom arm, This thing actually weighs more than the mic and the arm all set up there, so I don't know. A good start-in boom arm? Maybe. I guess if you can't really afford anything more than, say, the $30 I spent on mine, but I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm going to set mine back up now. Okay, so one other thought I had was I've thought about using the boom arm to screw into, say, the bottom of a webcam, but the threads on this are actually too thick and they will not work. So I believe you would have to buy that little adapter to make it smaller. I think it's a 1/4 adapter, but I could be wrong. And I even unscrewed the pop filter to see if the threads would line up on there, and they don't as well. So, oh well. But other than that, pretty much this boom arm is pretty much what you pay for. It's kind of flimsy and kind of cheap. So I guess if you would like a cheap boom arm, I guess I'll leave the link for this down in the description anyways, just so if you're curious as well. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative, and don't forget to subscribe and drop a like. And that's pretty much it. So I guess until the next one, thanks and bye.